Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix connection error, login error or server error or any kind of network error in the game Sand Raiders of Sophie. So if you're getting any kind of connection error, login error or server error in the game Sand Raiders of Sophie, then here follow the fixes very carefully. Now before performing any of the fixes, first check the Sand Raiders of Sophie server status. You can go to the X web page of this game. I will provide this link in my video description. And if you find that their server status is offline, under maintenance or having any kind of outage, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online and then you can check back later. However, if the server status is online and if you're still getting this error, then here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix is to restart Steam or restart your PC. So click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam. Then relaunch Steam and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to launch the game multiple times. So simply click on play button, and if you still get the connection error, login error or any kind of error, then close it and then again launch the game and check. So you can try to 3 to 4 times and check if this helps or not. Fix 3 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Now click on virus and threat protection, scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection, click on allow an app through control folder access, click yes to allow, click on add an allowed app, click on browse all apps and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Sand game folder. Now first select the Sand exe file and then click on open. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps and this time select this sand_be exe file, click open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse and then again browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Sand game folder. Now first select the Sand exe file and then click on open and then click on add. In my case it is already added. Again click on browse and then select the sand_be exe file, click open and then click on add. In my case it is already added. After adding it, click on OK to save changes and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you're using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, EVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ECT, then allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well. And then you can launch the game and check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program after playing the game. Fix 4 is to change server region. So simply switch to another server region and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then you can also switch the server region before selecting the character or creating the character. So these are the server region. So select one of them and see which one work for you. Fix 5 is to check for game updates or pending updates. And if there are any updates available for the game, then update the game and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 6 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the Sand game and select properties and then go to install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to run the game as an administrator. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Sand game, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Now first right click on the Sand exe file and then click on run as administrator and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then also right click on sand_be exe file and then select run as administrator and then try to launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to turn off Wi-Fi router or modem and then wait for 1 to 2 minutes and then restart your Wi-Fi router or modem. Then reconnect it and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to change DNS server. So in Windows search type control panel and open it. Then click on view network status and task under network and internet. Then click on your connected Wi-Fi or internet and then select properties and then select internet protocol version 4 and then click on properties. Then select use the following DNS server addresses and in the preferred DNS server type 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS server type 8.8.4.4 and then hit on OK and then close it. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to reset internet connection. So in Windows search type cmd and open the command prompt as an administrator. So click on run as administrator, click yes to allow Now in the command prompt, you have to type this code one by one. I will provide this code in my video description, so you can easily copy and paste it over here and then hit enter. Copy the second code, paste it over here, hit enter. Copy the third code, paste it over here, hit enter. Copy the last code, paste it over here and then hit enter. Now you will see you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset process. So type exit and then hit on enter. This will close the command prompt, and then just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC, and after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to switch internet connection. You can connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to internet via Ethernet cable and then check. Fix 12 is to reset network settings. So open Windows settings. On the left, click on network and internet. Scroll down, click on advanced network settings. Then click on network reset. Now read this message over here and then click on reset now. And if agree, then click on yes. And after performing the network reset, restart your PC and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 13 is to try VPN. So you can connect to VPN such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, Kaspersky VPN, Cloudflare, etc. Launch the VPN app and then connect to a different location than your current location and then launch the game and check. Now if you are already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. And the last solution is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them and then just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily fix connection error, network error, login error, or any kind of server issue in the game Sand Raiders of Sophie on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.